Hello students, today we will learn spontaneous emission versus stimulated emission. For any material in normal condition, when its temperature is greater than 0 Kelvin, the number of atoms in ground state is always higher than the number of atoms in unstable excited state. The reason is that the ground state is stable. According to Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, the probability of number of atoms in unstable excited state goes on exponentially decreasing at a constant temperature. Since ground state is stable and excited states are unstable, hence we need to do work to raise atom from ground state to excited state. So we supply energy from external source to excite atoms from ground state to higher excited state, and this process is called as pumping. When a photon of energy E equal to the energy difference of two energy levels E1 and E2 is absorbed by an atom in ground state E1, the atom make transition from ground state to unstable excited state. This process is called as stimulated absorption. Since excited state E2 is an unstable state, so the atom have a short lifetime in the excited state of the order of 10 raised to the power minus 8 seconds. After 10 raised to the power minus 8 seconds, the atoms spontaneously make slow transition from unstable excited state E2 to stable ground state E1 by emission of a photon of energy equal to the energy difference of two energy levels E2 and E1. The emitted photon travel in a random direction as incoherent light. So, spontaneous emission is always an incoherent light. Spontaneous emission is an initiating step for stimulated emission. The photon emitted in random direction by spontaneous emission participate as a stimulating photon to successively cause stimulated emission. The energy of stimulating photon is equal to the energy difference of two energy levels E2 and E1. When a stimulating photon is absorbed by an atom in excited state E2, the lifetime of the atom increases to the order of 10 raised to the power minus 6 seconds to 10 raised to the power minus 3 seconds, and the state is called as metastable state. On absorption of the photon, the atom make a fast transition from unstable excited state E2 to stable ground state E1 by emitting two photons. The two photons have same energy, same frequency, same phase and of same polarization and travel in same direction as coherent beams and are responsible for laser action. Thus, stimulated emission is responsible for laser action.